Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and integrated navigation system. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.